What if you could have a luxury SUV that accelerates like a supercar, goes nearly 450 miles on one charge, and feels like the future inside? The 2025 Lucid Gravity promises just that. But before you dream about owning one, let's see what it really costs to own this next-gen electric SUV in the US. The 2025 Lucid Gravity lineup starts around $80,000 for the base touring model and goes up to nearly $95,000 for the Grand Touring. Expect even pricier Dream Edition trims later, potentially crossing the $100,000 mark. But remember, that's just the sticker price. Let's look at your realistic on-road cost in the US. Base price, $80,000, destination fee, $1,500 sales tax, average, 7%, $5,600 dealer and documentation fees, $600 registration and title, $400. That brings your total on-road cost to around $88,000 before any financing or add-ons. Insurance for a high-end EV SUV like the Gravity averages around $2,500 per year, depending on your state and record. Over 5 years, that's roughly $12,500. Maintenance is surprisingly low, thanks to fewer moving parts and Lucid's EV design. Expect about $500 per year or $2,500 total over 5 years. Lucid claims up to 440 miles of range, with top-tier 900-volt fast-charging capability. Assuming you drive 12,000 miles per year and average 13 cents per kilowatt-hour, your annual charging cost will be about $600 or $3,000 across 5 years, much cheaper than gas. EV depreciation is tricky. While Lucid vehicles tend to hold value better than early EVs, expect around 45% value loss in 5 years. That means your $88,000 SUV could be worth around $48,000 after half a decade. So, here's your real 5-year ownership math. Insurance, $12,500. Maintenance, $2,500. Charging, $3,000. Depreciation, $40,000. Total 5-year ownership cost, $58,000, not including financing or luxury add-ons. The Gravity is for buyers who want futuristic luxury, silent power, and maximum driving range without sacrificing SUV comfort. It's perfect for families or executives who want Tesla Model X performance with Mercedes-level class. So, is the Lucid Gravity worth it? If you want a luxury EV SUV that turns heads, offers exceptional range, and delivers a true first-class experience, then yes, it's one of the most exciting options for 2025. But if you're on a tight budget, be prepared. True luxury still comes with a serious price tag. Would you spend nearly 6 figures on an electric SUV? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-world ownership breakdowns on the newest cars hitting the US market.